بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
My dear viewers and students, Assalamu alaikum. 11th English, final new book 2025-2026, unit number 6, The Echoing Green. ये एक पोएम का नाम है. आज हम इस पोएम के क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स करेंगे. द एक्विंग ग्रीन, ये पोएम लिखी है विलियम ब्लेक ने. आज हम इस पोएम के एक्सरसाइज और एडिशनल क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स करेंगे. Exercise question number 1. What activities are taking place on the echoing green? On the echoing green, children laugh and play while old folks watch from under the oak, remembering their youth. The joyful scene is filled with games, singing birds, and the sound of merry ringing bells. Exercise question number 2. How does Blake portray the relationship between nature and human life in the poem? Blake shows nature and people happily connected with the bright sun, birds, and ringing bells, matching children's fun and laughter. As day ends, nature grows calm and quiet like the resting children, sharing the same gentle, peaceful rhythm. Exercise question number 3. What role do the old folk play in the scene described? How does their presence add to the poem's meaning? The old folk watch the children play and laugh, smiling as they remember their own happy youth. Their presence adds warmth and a sense of time passing, showing life's cycle and making the joyful green more precious and meaningful. Exercise question number 4. What is the significance of the shift from lively activity to quietness as the poem progresses? The shift from lively play to quietness reflects the natural cycle of day and life itself. It gently shows how joy and energy fade into calm, peaceful rest, reminding us to truly cherish each happy moment before it ends. Exercise question number 5. How might the echoing of the green symbolize memory or continuity between generations? The echoing of the green shows how memories and experiences from one generation carry on to the next. It reflects life's cycle as children's joy is echoed by the old watching and remembering, linking past and present through shared moments on the same green. Exercise question number 6. How does the imagery in the poem contribute to the tone and mood of the scene depicted? The bright sun, singing birds, and ringing bells create a warm, lively mood full of energy and fun. This joyful imagery sets a cheerful tone that gently shifts to calm and peaceful as the sun sets and children rest, showing life's comforting rhythm. Exercise question number 7. In what ways does the poem reflect the themes of innocence and the passage of time? The poem shows innocence in the children's joyful play and carefree laughter on the lively green. It also reflects time passing as the old watch and remember their youth, and as day fades, children grow tired, showing life's gentle cycle from youth to rest. Exercise question number 8. How might the poem be interpreted as a reflection on the cycles of life and the natural world? The poem reflects life's cycle as children's joyful play shows youth, and the calm evening shows rest and gentle aging. It softly mirrors nature's rhythm, where joy fades gently like seasons moving from spring to peaceful, quiet winter. अब हम इस पोएम के एडिशनल क्वेश्चंस करते हैं. एडिशनल क्वेश्चंस ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को कहते हैं जो पोएम की टेक्स्ट के अंदर बॉक्स या डब्बों में मौजूद सवालात होते हैं. एडिशनल क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What images of nature and community life do you notice? The poem shows bright images of nature like the rising sun, singing birds, and ringing bells to create a lively, joyful scene. Children playing and old folks watching under the oak highlight all ages together, showing a warm, close community life. Additional question number 2. How might these scenes be different if the environment were affected by problems like global warming and deforestation? If global warming and deforestation harmed the environment, the scene would lose its bright sun, birds, and green spaces. Children's play might be cut short by heat, harming wildlife and breaking the joyful community harmony Blake describes. Additional question number 3. How do the images of the elders reflect the themes of age and the passage of time? The elders watching and remembering their youth show age, wisdom, and time gently passing. Their calm smiles and shared memories reflect life's full cycle, moving from playful childhood to humble, peaceful, and thoughtful old age.